Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And today in this video, I am with MD Rushad. And Rushad now he's capable to speak English fluently with anyone. So at this time, I'm going to ask you, what is the largest English word?
The largest English word is pneumono ultramicroscopy silicovolcanoconiosis.
Okay, Rushad. So can you say something, few tongue twister?
Yeah.
Okay, please.
Colors kiksa khali khana cakes. Colors kiksa khali khana cakes. Fita fighter fifta fit was. Fita fighter fifta fit was. Tom tida ton tie. Tom tida ton tie. Totally terrific active tongue twister. Totally terrific active tongue twister.
Very good. So, do you think tongue twister is very important to speak English fluently?
Yes.
Okay. So, Rushad, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I love to play cricket with my friends.
Okay. So, do you know what is the current situation of Bangladesh?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So,